everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious, oilless, oil-free Tandoori masala chicken tikka. It's very tasty and very easy to make. And let's see what ingredient we need. I have a 2-pound boneless, skinless chicken breast. I cut into small pieces and wash with the cold water. Tandoori masala, this is store-bought, I'm using it. 1 teaspoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, garlic powder, granulated onion, half teaspoon each, and cilantro, 1 teaspoon, half cup homemade dahi, curd. And let's start marinating the chicken first. I'll add all the spices, granulated onion, garlic powder, ginger powder, cilantro, black pepper, sea salt, tandoori masala, homemade dahi. I have a video posted on my channel, so please check it out. Once we added everything, so we're going to mix it all. Once it's nicely combined, this is what we need. Cover it and we're going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours. It's always a good idea to marinate overnight, but I'm going to marinate only for 2 hours. The chicken is marinated for 2 hours. Prior to putting into air fryer, we're going to mix it. I'll open the air fryer and we'll place the chicken inside. We're going to make sure that we spread it evenly. So once the chicken is nicely spread out, I'll place it inside the air fryer. We're going to start it and we're going to chicken 400 Fahrenheit at 20 minutes. So after 10 minutes, we're going to come back and we're going to turn it over. So we're going to start it. After 20 minutes, our chicken tikka will be done. It's almost 10 minutes. It's a 10 minutes now. So I'll open it. Looking really nice. Now we need to do this. We need to turn it over. Just mix it, just like this. Also, the chicken will separate out, and also the top side goes at the bottom and the bottom comes on the top. So after mixing it well, spread it evenly, and we're going to place it back into the air fryer. It will start automatically where it left off. So we're going to come back after 10 minutes. This is the best chicken tikka appetizer. Please try it. It's all done. Look at this. So delicious chicken. The chicken tikka is moist, juicy, and very tender. And now I'm going to take it out. I have my serving platter ready. This chicken tikka is so delicious, so mouth-watering. It's a very tasty and delicious chicken tikka. Family, friends, they came over, or the party occasion. Try this chicken tikka and everybody going to love it. Let me show you. Look at this. Very delicious, and it's not dry. So good. Please try this recipe and you're going to like it. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.